Hi all, thank you very much to joining me with me to another one episode in my YouTube channel RMT. This is my fifth series of basic financial accounting. So in this video we are going to look how to design a chart of account structure for the ERP implementation. So to discuss that, let me open one Excel sheet. In order to discuss how to design a chart of account structure to implement a successful ERP, please watch this video to understand the basic idea about that the structure of a finance. So let me take you through how you can design a good chart of accounts in order to implement or configure on ERP system. So here you can see that first group 1 digit, second group 2 digit, third group 3 digit, fourth is account, that is 6 digit. So we already discussed in many videos, my previous videos, about account classification. So we know that finance have its own structure, sequential structure, that is 1 means asset, 2 means liability, 3 means equity, 4 means revenue, and 5th is expense. So the first group we are designing such a way that to identify my transactions by first group by you can take it by 1 means asset, 2 means liability, and so on. So when it is coming to second group, the main group can have subcategories. So here the example what I given is a basic structure, but according to your business implementation nature it can be changed, but this is that the basic structure I am discussing. So the second group, it's a 2 digit, that means first digit is asset. Along with the first digit I am adding one more digit which will determine your subcategory under this asset. So under this asset I have two subcategory. How it is designed is adding the first digit of that asset, then I am adding one more digit which will determine that subcategory, that is my current asset. Here 12 means non-current asset. The third group it is coming to add under current asset, you can have subcategories. That means normally it can be cash and bank, account receivable, short-term loan, advance inventory, and so on. So how this third group is designed is nothing but it's taking the current asset 2 digit value, then adding another 2 digit which will determine my third group, cash and bank. Now if you look, that account receivable will determine from the system 1102 which is current under current asset, and if you look the land 1201 which is coming under non current asset because the digit 1 2, then I am adding the 2 digit more, that means my third group. So it's third group, it's 2 digit I am adding here, sorry. Okay, so this is the way you can determine your groups, and this is the way you can determine your accounts. So under cash and bank you can have multiple account for your transaction. Let's assume that you want to add one more bank in your business. So what you will do, that is nothing but that third category is nothing but 1101 which is same, it should be under your cash and bank. How I am finding my transactional account code is 11, 01, that is nothing but cash and bank. Then I am adding 02. Then I am saying that BBK bank. That means you can see that 1101 is NCB bank to identify your transactional data, and 110102 is your bank. So the total digit is 6, that is a 6 digit account you have. So tomorrow if you want to take a report only for cash and bank, you simply you will take only the group 1101. Under this group, what are the accounts are presented, system will take the values and you can get the reports according to your format. So let's assume that you have now current liability. You need to add your current liability account. So the third group is starting 2 1, that is nothing but current liability. But my third group is identifying by 4 digit, adding 2 digit along with this current asset, current liability. So I am adding 01. I am saying that accounts accounts payable. So in accounts payable also you can have multiple accounts, but for now for this example 210101, you are saying that local accounts payable account. That means you have your local suppliers, so you can use this account to track your supplier balances in this account. The same way, another one example is you can add, if you want to add any direct expenses, how you will determine, you will take that second group category, that is 51, then you will add your digit 01, where you will say that this is salary group. Okay, then under the salary you need that different components or different accounts to track your transaction. So 510101, you will say that it is nothing but basic salary. Okay. Now tomorrow if you have any more under direct expense, you are have another one group category, you can add 5102, then you will put the description, you can easily find out your account easily. So it should be 6 digits. So my past experience with ERP implementation, so better practice is you have to design your chart of account with 6 digit. It should not be more than 6. It can be, it's not necessarily there is a condition, but if you can design your chart of account in a proper way, so you can take the reports, lot of reports out of the system. So if you design this that in such a way, then you can take a good reports to the management level. So here the same way, in this level you can see that it's showing these are my balance sheet accounts and this is my profit and loss account. This we already discussed. If you are missed my previous videos, please have a look on that. I hope this helped you very much to understand how you can design a chart of accounts in order to implement Sage ERP or any other ERP. So please, if you like this video, please like and share with your circle, those who want to get a clear idea how to create the chart of accounts within an ERP. So once again thank you very much. So next video I am going to concentrated on how we can implement the Sage X3 applications So there will be the sequential step will be there, so I am splitting the sequential step will be in different videos. So once again, thank you very much.